Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Elaine Rau and I do product reviews. Today I'll be reviewing the Australian brand Dermalist. Beautiful, scientifically active skincare with conscience. Ooh, cool. So the branding right from the get-go is absolutely stunning. Everything is just boom, boom, boom. I mean, I wonder what this is. Oh, even the invoice is beautifully packaged like an invitation of sorts. There's a nice little note from them. And of course, everything inside is beautifully packaged. It says ready, set, glow. That's cute. So let's see what's in their product line. Sorry to ruin the perfectly wrapped wrapping paper, but gotta see what's inside. First, we have our Radiance Ultra Hydrating Lactic Cleanser for a clearer, smoother skin. Nice, chic bottle. Everything is like on point with their branding. Morning and evening, mix a small amount with water, gently massage for 20 seconds onto damp face, and then rinse thoroughly with water or facial cloth, and then use sunscreen afterwards as recommended. The second item we have is an All Serum Skin Perfector. Ooh, once again, oh my gosh. It's almost like too beautiful to use. So apply one pump in the morning and even prior to moisturizer, and maybe blended with other serums and so on and so forth. So it's a skin perfector. The third item is an ultra smoothing facial exfoliant. Comes in a bottle like this. All you do is apply a small amount to wet skin, very gently roll the beads over the skin surface for 15 seconds without vigorously scrubbing, rinse thoroughly with water, and initially use 1 to 2 times weekly, then increase the frequency over time to daily as tolerated. So there you have the 3-step Dermalist skincare line from Australia. For more product reviews, please make sure to like, subscribe, and comment what you think about this product line, and I'll see you next time.